Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make a hairband, how to crochet a hairband. These are two different patterns of hairband that I made, and I'm going to show you how to crochet this pattern in this video. If this is what you want to learn, then stay tuned and keep watching. I'm going to be using a yarn, scissors, needle and crochet hook for this tutorial. Now take your yarn, create a knot and put your crochet hook into the knot and tie it. In order to secure the knot, I'm going to take a small portion of the yarn and pull it out from the knot I've created. This is to enable it not to lose out, to make the knot tighter. Now I'm going to create a chain, and the length of chain that you create depends on the length of hairband that you want to achieve. Now that I'm done with the chain, I'm going to use my crochet hook, put the crochet hook in each hole, take a yarn and pull out. I'm going to do this throughout the chain. Now with the crochet hook, take a yarn and start pulling it out one after the other like I'm doing. Okay, this is how this looks like. I'm going to use my crochet hook, put it in two holes and pull out a yarn, go back and put it in one hole and pull out a yarn also. I'm going to be doing this also, so keep watching. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to start pulling it out, taking a yarn and pulling it out one after the other. Repeat the step again and see how it will look like. I'm going to be doing this also, so keep watching and see how this hairband is going to turn out. After this, I'm going to be creating a design to the hairband. I'm going to be wrapping it up with a design, so keep watching. I'm going to be doing this a little bit slowly so you see what I'm doing. The pattern that I'm doing has not changed, which is to put your hook in a hole together in two holes, then pull out, go back and put it in a single hole, joining it together. So this is what I am going to be doing till I approach the end of each line. And when I approach the end of each line, I'm going to start picking out with the hook and a yarn and pulling it out one after the other. One thing about this pattern is that you can create any crochet craft of your choice, either a dress, a cap, a shoe, just name it. You can make a beautiful crochet craft with this pattern, and that's one thing I like about this. If you're kind of wondering how we approach to this stage, the step hasn't changed a bit. Like I said, once you reach the starting point, use your crochet hook to hold two yarns together, pull out, then go back and take the last one and pull out. Once you pull them out, you are going to be having something like this in the crochet hook. So continue by taking two yarns together, go back and pull the last one, and this is to close up the shape and give it a kind of shape that you are seeing. So once you have reached the end of each line, start pulling out by creating a chain in between the single hole. So start pulling out one after the other like I'm doing now. I'm done crocheting, and now I'm going to pull out the remaining yarn and tie it like this. The next thing is to create the design at the front of the hairband. So I'm going to fold the hairband like this. This is how I folded it, making sure there is a little space at both ends. Now I'm going to use my needle to sew together, and I'm going to hold both edges together first. After holding the both edges, I decided to cross it by sewing it together. So I'm doing a kind of cross threading. So the open part that I left I'm going to sew it together. I'm going to be sewing them together. I'm not only sewing the open part, I'm just making sure that I sew the whole ends to ends together. That's what I'm doing. I'm done with the sewing, so I'm going to cut out the yarn and use my crochet hook to pick the remaining of the yarn. This is the front of the hairband. This is how it looks like, and this is how the design looks like. The hairband can be used for a baby, for an adult, just to create a style on your braided wig or on your hair or on your braids. This is how it looks like, and this is how the back looks like. So guys, this is different patterns of hairband that I made, different ways to crochet a hairband. The design also at the front is different although similar, which I might be showing in one of my next video. But yeah, I think I have a way of liking this pattern because it's not that popular. Both are fine. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to be part of this family for more amazing content. See you in my next video.